What's up, big boy?
Just got down with practice, so I'm just kind of heading back to the house here in a few minutes. What's up?
What, I'm not important enough? You don't answer my calls when I call, man? What's going on?
Yeah, I didn't hear the phone ring at all, to be honest with you. It was in my pocket.
Gotcha. I'm just busting your balls. Okay, so we were at Belfast. It looks awesome, way ahead of Glade. Love what they did in the kitchen. But I was going to ask you, I thought we were going to add on to the laundry room and extend.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, you are? Okay, because he drywalled that in.
What's that?
He drywalled that door in.
Drywall the door in.
The door that we were doing from the kitchen to the laundry room. Remember, we were going to do 2 doors?
Yeah.
He drywalled it in and started texturing over it. Like he wasn't, like he took it away.
I know. Well, I guess I really didn't pay attention to that because if you look on the optic tore the cement out, I just assume they put a board there because they haven't finished it yet.
Okay, all right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. And did you decide, are you doing a garage or just sticking carport?
Yeah, no, it's gonna be a garage.
The house is nice. Glade's gonna be big. I mean, you're adding a lot.
Yeah, I don't know the exact same square footage. They actually took a little bit away from the original bathroom.
Okay.
Because we're doing a couple things different in the bedroom because of the way that big beam runs across the middle of the master.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're basically just gonna on the other side of that's gonna be leading into the master bathroom, and on the left hand side is gonna be a huge walk-in closet that's gonna basically come down to that ceiling height, kind of, sorta.
Okay. All right. Are you in the laundry room? Are you gonna open that up and have it be a pantry and a huge laundry room and make it livable?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, they're gonna move the water heater to the other side. The first room or the old laundry room is gonna be the pantry. I go over there, dude. It's like nobody's working. It's unbelievable.
Well, there was some dude in there digging I think he was digging his grave. It was like a 6-foot trench. I was like, damn. But they drop shipped all the materials. Like, I was shocked. The whole house is filled with cabinets, fans, faucets, everything.
Yes.
So, but Belfast is way ahead. You're probably 2 weeks out there or less.
Yeah, man, that's what they were saying. I mean, I need to be 2 weeks out there.
You could probably start, getting quotes for landscaping and whatever you're going to do.
Yeah, we've already done all that.
Good. Awesome.
So,
All right, brother. I just want to call and check and ask you a couple questions. That's it. But you take care, man. Call me if you need anything. All right, bye-bye. This is coming along really well. He's actually ahead of schedule, looking really good here. This bedroom, this was already kind of all added. Cody, you haven't seen this bedroom yet, but they had added this, and there was some weird stuff in it, so we just made it a big open room. There was a wall there for some reason, but you can see it, man. It's ready to go. It's, you gotta get your lighting in here, your cover plates, carpet, and then some blinds, and they're done in the room. So love those doors so much. You know what would be cool? We take these doors and you paint this part gray to match the walls. That'd be cool too. So man, we got flooring. Love it. What's up? Looks good. Cool. So you can kind of start seeing the house. I know the lighting kind of sucks, but you can see kind of the color schemes that are going on. You got the kind of the varnish flooring, got the gray walls, the white trim, white doors. So yeah, he's knocking it out. How long do you think to throw out the tile? 2 more days. 2 more days. Cool. Looks good. Will you make a note? We gotta get Jason out here to do the tubs because we're always waiting on him last minute.
Actually, I'm gonna do this as we speak.
These tubs were in great shape. This is what happens on a lot of the houses, and then we always in the past would take all that out, put it back together. But if the tubs are in good shape, we have a guy that comes in, he epoxies the tile, he cleans it, the tub, if there's any scratches or anything dents in there, he basically makes that look brand new. So it saves us a lot of time, and then it also saves us a lot of money. You're looking at probably $2,000 to $2,500 in saving by being able to keep all that. Bedrooms are all ready to go. You just need blinds, cover plates, fans, switches, outlet covers, and carpet, and the door handles and stuff like that. But I would probably say they're 10 days out. I don't know if the lighting's on here. Nah. But the shower here has the same this house and never saw it. I come out here and we're walking around and I look on the wall. I'm like, there's solar whole system up here that's paid for that just came with the house. I'm like, great. So that's going to offset a lot of the power. They got a pool, big lot, great neighborhood, freaking crazy dogs.
How's it feel to buy a home and not even look at it?
I don't recommend it. But, some of the time, if it's a good deal and you're getting it from another wholesaler, you just don't have any time. Nowadays, the wholesalers have gotten better. They send photos and you're looking at square footage, and there's just so many things in a home that can go wrong. So it's basically comes down to math. And if you're doing what you're buying it for to what the comps say, and there's extra room, then you're comfortable buying sight unseen. I've probably done it less than 10 times in my life, but these wholesalers don't do a really good job communicating with their sellers, and they don't train them up front. Like, we put it in writing that they have to give us access with a 24-hour notice. We've been buying a lot of homes lately where we can't even get in, or you can only get in at this time, and it's stressful getting in because your time frames are so quick. You just got to set the precedent up front of how this whole transaction is going to roll out, and you let the seller know this is what's going to happen, and they tell you up front. Great. I don't know why they're having so many issues, but they are. So.